Alright guys, today's goal, the learner will understand the properties of logarithmic functions. So we're going to be dealing with properties of logs, change of base, graphs of logarithmic functions with base b, and re-expressing the data. Okay? So let's go over and let's review the properties again. Okay? Properties of logarithmic functions. Let b, r, and s be positive real numbers with b not equal to 1, and c any real number. Product rule. Log base b of r times s equals log base b of r plus log base b of s. So if you're multiplying two things together, you can separate them keeping the same base using addition, or if you have two things being added together, you can condense into multiplication. The quotient rule, log base b of r divided by s equals log base b of r minus log base b of s. And the power rule, log base b of r to the c equals c times log base b of r. So if you have log of the base of a number to an exponent, you can bring the number down in front and change it to multiplication. All right, let's take a look at some possible examples. Assuming x is positive, use properties of logarithms to write log base 10 of 3 times x to the fifth as the sum of logarithms or multiple logarithms. Okay, so first thing, multiplication means I can change it to addition. And then we have the exponent, so that means I can bring it down in front for multiplication. So log of 3x to the fifth is log of 3 plus 5 log of x. Okay? Let's take a look at another one. Assuming x is positive, write 3 natural log of x minus the natural log of 2 as a single logarithm. So this time we're going the other way. So first thing I see is I've got multiplication going on here and then subtraction, but I'm going to take care of the multiplication first. So this would be natural log of x to the third minus the natural log of 2. Because remember, when you have the multiplication, you can bring it up to the exponent instead of backwards to multiplication. And what does subtraction mean we can condense it into? It's the natural log of x to the third divided by 2. Okay? So let's take a look at another property. Change of base formula, because the only thing your calculator can calculate is base 10. For positive real numbers a, b, and x, with a not equal to 1 and b not equal to 1, log base b of x equals log base a of x divided by log base a of b. So what they're saying is you can change it to any. However, just think about it this way. So it's base 10 or natural log. Okay? Because those are ways you'll be able to calculate. So let's take a look at an example. Evaluate log base 3 of 10. So it's log of 10 divided by the log of 3, or natural log of 10 divided by the natural log of 3. So there we go. We'll be using more of these properties in class, but there's a quick review of them. Hopefully you remember them. See you guys tomorrow.